Morning, guys. So it's nearly 6 o'clock in the morning on this sunny, beautiful morning in Birmingham. And I've come up to the Lickey Hills today. And I want to just share a short meditation with you, especially if this is something you struggle with getting up in the mornings. If you've got a stressful situation, stressful environment, it can really affect our sleep. And also can make us very reluctant to get up because we've got to go and face it again that day. I've been in that position. Thankfully, I'm so far away from that now. And I want to try and share with you some of the things that I've done to help me along that way. So this meditation is just for us to have a think about what we are missing when we don't make that time for ourselves in the morning. You're missing this beautiful sunrise. You're missing this sense of calm I feel and connection with the environment, but in a nice way. And in times like this, it's a great opportunity to look at ways we can move forward. When we take a few minutes like this, we can step back from our problems and look at them more objectively, as if somebody else was looking at that issue, a friend advising us. And we really need to understand change is inevitable. As we start to get older, we need to do more to stop those changes from aging. And there's many things we can do, guys, that we don't do. Things just like this you can do every day.